Start with the name of the God. So today our topic is how to earn 50,000 in a month and how to work in real estate industry with the buildings, like how many buildings we have to work. So I'm trying to explain to you. Let's come to that point. So then it's called building A. So the building A, there is only 300 apartments. Building B, there is 500 units, and building C, there's you can say 100 units. Okay, so if every building has 10%, always 10% availability. Okay, so let's say 10% availability is there. So if you come to that one, if there is 30 units, there is 50 units, and there is also 10 units. So if you work for that building, in the first month, second month, and third month. So the first month, you know there's 30 units available, but maybe you will get only 5 units. Second month, because always the 10% availability is there. And second month you will get 15 units. Right away? Right? And the third month, you know each and every apartment, 30 units. So here is also 50 units. So first month you will get 10 units, and then instead of 10 you will get only 5 units. So the 10 units, the second month is 25 units, and third month you know there's 50 units there. Is there you know maybe like you get 2 units, and here you get 5 units, and here you get 10 units. So this is the process for the real estate. So don't make your mind, you start in real estate in the first month, you are the winner. No, you are not the winner. So keep your mind, not first month, second month, third month. And this is not possible. Like you start in the morning 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. or 7 p.m. So it means 9 to 7 is around 10 hours. If you spend 10 hours, it's not possible you cannot get the availability there. So spend 10 hours, definitely. This is the way for the real estate. So let's say in the first month, you close one deal here. Here you close only one deal. And here you close only one deal. So if you just go for each deal is 5K, 5 to 12K3, it's 15K. That is your first month. It's close? That is your first month. And if you go for second month, you can make it double also. So you close 10K. So you close always like 10K. So not about the 1 unit. Sorry. You close only maybe 3 units. You close only 2 units. And you close 2 units. So before you close 3, here you 7. You close 7 deals. 7 equal to 5K. It's 35K. And if you come for that point, the third month, if you close 5 deals, and here you close let's say 5 deals, and here you close 5 deals. So if it's like 25 equal to 5. So how much is it is?
15. 15 equal to 5.
Yeah, sorry. 15 equal to 5. It's how much? It's 45K. Right?
5. Yes.
5? No. It's not 45K. It's more. 5 equal to 10. It's like 50, 75K. So that is the way of the real estate. The first month you earn 15K, the second month you earn 35K, and third month you earn 75K. But if you work continuously, then you can achieve your goal. And you work this time to this time. If you do, then you can do. Let's say the first month you didn't achieve your goal, leave it for that month. Start for the next month. So if you didn't achieve your goal, because this is your goal, any of the guy in the real estate, the first of the guy, the new fresher guy, if they have the goals, so let's start. Maybe you made the goal for 3 months and you didn't achieve for 3 months. So make it for 4 months. If not, then 5th month, then 6th month, or maybe the 8th month. But at the end, you are coming for this stage. So don't lose your don't lose your focus, and don't lose your patience. So always in the real estate is take time. So people coming in this industry, they are thinking, maybe we can, we cannot. So always, as a Muslim, we believe on the God. So if you go for that on the bird, they are eating food for today, not for tomorrow. So if they are not eating for tomorrow, so then how we really trust on God? So believe on God and you are the winner. So keep your mind the real estate. What is called real estate? Oh my God, on this page. So this is the real estate. So always make your real estate your passion. I think you close this one or let me show you that what we are making. We are making video here. Here's my cameraman. Here's my trainee and what is called like a speaker. Here's the second speaker and here's the third speaker. Always he's chilling in the office. So now everyone understand. I have to repeat again. So I will tell you what is that. Let me just make the. Where is the camera? Flip.
Yes, this is flip, there is no flip.
No flip? Live no flip?
It can be flipped.
It can be.
Tap guys.
Tap, 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 tap.
What is that? This one post, yes.
Should I stop recording the video or?
No, it's fine. You can close it, it's fine. Close it. This one is